everyone, welcome back to the channel. And tonight we have another install video that we're going to be doing for you guys. It's a real simple install. This video is not going to be too long, but the last time we did a video we talked about these door straps, and these are one of the things that I didn't care for too much, but there's a couple different brands out there that you can put like a lever latch here. And that's, instead of grabbing this strap right here, you'll be able to grab that lever and it opens up a lot easier. And so what we ended up doing is we picked up a set of BRP door levers, and everything is machined, and you can see the quality of these. And basically what's going to happen is these are going to just mount right here where this screw is. So you're just going to take this screw out and they're going to go up in there like that, and then they're going to mount right there, and then you guys will be able to open with the lever instead of trying to grab this strap. So that's what we're going to be doing tonight. It's not going to take too long. It's really not a how-to video, but I figured I thought this was pretty cool and I wanted to show you guys this lever kit that's out there. It's well made. I'll put a link in the description of where we got this, but basically you're just going to use a 10mm wrench, take off your bottom nut, and then I believe this is 5/32, and you're just going to take this nut. We already loosened it a little bit, and then you're just going to reuse this bolt here. And make sure you put this back in. This is that little bevel piece that goes up against the frame. And so we're going to go ahead. We're just going to reuse the old screws. We don't have to use these. Kind of matches better, but we'll go ahead and use the washer here. And that's just going to go in there like that. And make sure we use this stuff back. That's going to sit right on top of that frame right there. I don't know if you guys can see it on this. You see how that's beveled to sit right on top of your door frame. So it sits really nice on there. It's really a nice kit. Can you get up? That look pretty good? Is it focusing? Mm-hmm. And you can see it's really well made. It's just a nice little simple kit. It's going to make it a lot easier. And just thought it was pretty cool. I wanted to share it with you guys. There we go. So now we just got to put that plastic piece back in. That. I'll put the locking nut back on. And we should be good to go. And we'll check out. Hopefully everything lines up. Like I said, it's a real simple job. There we go. See, it unlatches. And let's make sure this closes. And then go on the other side over there. We can kind of show them how it looks. You can see it's locked. Okay. So basically all you're going to do Just gonna reach in right here like that and it opens right up. Now look how nice that is. Instead of trying to grab that strap, especially if you're out on the trails and it gets muddy, slippery, now you gotta do is grab that latch and boom. Just like that. So let's go ahead and put the other side on and then we'll show you the final look. Alright, that should be it. And man, it really matches too. It goes with the build so far. I like that it's stainless. I mean, it's really a nice kit. So let's see here, make sure it closes. And then you can go up on the other side, Mikey. We'll show them again how easy this is to unlock. Just like this. Boom, you're in. Just like that. See that? No more grabbing the strap, no more muddy, you know, all wet, you can't get it. Just like that, and you're done. Just a finger. And that's it. So, told you this was going to be a quick video, but we figured we'd share this with you guys. If you guys like this kind of stuff, we'd appreciate it if you subscribe. Also, please like, share the video, comment down below, and tell me what you guys think. Also, check out our merch store. Follow us on Instagram. And until next time, see you on our next one.